How to update the wireless network adapter. A computer's wireless network adapter allows the computer to communicate with a wireless router. The manufacturer of the wireless network adapter may occasionally release updates for the adapter. The updates typically are designed to fix security issues, compatibility problems and add features. Updating the wireless network adapter helps to avoid problems with the computer's wireless capability. Step 1. Click Start on the computer's desktop and right-click My Computer. Step 2. Choose Hardware and click the Device Manager button. Step 3. Click the Network Adapters section. Step 4. Double-click the wireless network adapter. Click Driver and click the button labeled Update Driver. Step 5. Click Next. Then Finish. Windows will automatically search for and update the wireless network adapter drivers to the latest version.